Hello, children. Today we're going to learn about the lesson Learning with the Difference. So, this lesson is about a famous personality called Helen Keller. Okay, so let's get into the topic. The contents which we're going to see in this lesson is Helen Keller, a small introduction about her, Helen Keller's early life, Helen Keller's education. Okay, so we all probably know who's Helen Keller. So there is a very short description about Helen Keller. Helen Keller, in full, her full name is Helen Adams Keller, who was born on June 27, 1880, Alabama, US, and she was died on June 1, 1968. Okay, she's an American author and an educator who was blind and deaf. Author is a person who writes book, and educator is a person who inspire others to study. Okay, so but what was special with her is she was blind and deaf. Okay, she was not normal child. Despite of these disabilities, she overcome all these hurdles to become a successful author come educator. Okay, she was also the first blind and deaf person to get a graduation is completing her college studies. Okay, so her education and training represent an extraordinary accomplishment in the education of persons with these disabilities. So looking at her achievements, people like her, that people who had such kind of disabilities, took her as a role model to get succeeded in their own life. Okay, so this is Helen Keller. You could see a picture of Helen Keller over here. And the next part is Helen Keller's early life. According to Helen Keller, that means her childhood, she was not very much happy about her childhood. Okay, why? Because she was born as a very normal child like us. Okay, she could hear, she could see and all. But when she was 19 months old, which means that when she was 1.5 years old, she developed a fatal fever. Fatal fever is which means she got an unknown illness, unknown fever like something. Okay, so when she recovered from it, she lost her eyesight. Later, her parents also discovered that she could not hear also. Okay, so Helen Keller was the first deaf and blind person in the world to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Her journey started with a tragedy. When she was 19 months old, she developed a fatal fever. When she recovered, she slowly lost her sight. Later, her parents realized that she could not hear too. At the first few years of her life, she was very arrogant. Why? Because Helen was a very brilliant girl, and she understood that she lacked something which others had. She felt that they could do something which she could not do. That means they could see, they could hear and all, but she couldn't do that. This reflected like in her character that she became very arrogant. She was very wild and stormy and like uncontrollable. So even later in her life, she called this phase of her life as Phantom. Okay, Phantom is very horrifying. Okay, so it was very uncontrollable for her parents to take control of, discipline Helen Keller. So when a parents thought of disciplining the child to take control of the child, they don't know what to do. They were searching for ideas to discipline their child. So they came to know about an institution called Perkins Institution for the Blind. Okay, so when Helen's parents approached this institution, they suggested a teacher called Annie Sullivan. Annie Sullivan was a 21 years old lady who had actually have a partial blindness with her, that she could see things but not so clearly. So she accepted the invitation of Helen's parents and came to teach Helen Keller. So Helen Keller was brilliant. I told you she was very arrogant, but still she was brilliant. So when Annie Sullivan met Helen Keller, she also felt that the child was very arrogant, but she also felt a brilliance. She thought she was very brilliant. So she also felt the pain of Helen Keller. She understood why she behaved so arrogant. So what happened is, within a month, Annie Sullivan taught Helen what a word is, and also told her that everything in the world has a word. You know what a word, what word means? A name for something, which denotes something, right? So she told that everything in the world has a name for it. Okay, so everything is called with a word. So Annie found that the student was strong but brilliant. So patiently, very patiently, Annie Sullivan taught Helen Keller the alphabets by tapping the letters on her palm. Okay, so slowly, if we touch her palm, no, we could feel it, no. So what Annie did is Annie gave the feelings of the letters, alphabets, by writing it on the palm of Helen Keller. Okay, with that one key, Annie opened the world to Helen, which means that slowly she came to learn something. Okay, so this is, you can see Helen Keller as a little girl sitting with Annie Sullivan. Okay, so today this lesson, this chapter, we saw about Helen Keller, a very short description about her, saying that she is an American author cum educator who was blind and deaf. She was the first person as a blind and deaf to get graduated with a degree of arts, with a bachelor degree of arts, and she lost her eyesight at the age of 19 months, and not only her eyesight, also her hearing capabilities. Then later a teacher came, her name was Annie Sullivan. She taught Helen what an alphabet is by tapping the letters on the palm of Helen Keller. So that's all for the lesson today. We'll continue the lesson with the next video. Thank you, children.